tusilale, bado mapambano.
GIIKARO kia UMUTHI gatagati ga kamiti ya kwandika wira Arutani TSC na ciama cia arutani bururi-ini NUT, KUPPET na KNUT gigutanyitwo gwetha kihonia kia maundu ngurani maria maracungiriirie arutani kuruta mukana wa kuigamira thi.
There was no
thutha wa GIIKARO kia makiria ya mathaa matano mothiuma atongoria a ciama ici maumbire mucamanio-ini uyu matukite thutha wa kwaga kuiguithaniria maingi ma maundu maria megutemanitie metha-ini.
The commission has once again failed to address our concerns.
Ciama ici ciugite TSC ikoretwo gikungiria arutani wara na makiria arutani a JSS aria makoretwo magithomithia thiini wa gikiro kia interns kuona mafati kuheo marua ma wira mweri muhituku undu uria TSC itarira kinyaniria.
No teacher is ever employed as an intern. Teachers are either permanent and pensionable or on contract.
The medical cover for teachers, which is causing a lot of concern, has not been addressed. The Teacher Service Commission is silent on the immediate promotion of 130,000 teachers.
Ona kuhanura uguo ciama ici tina mucamanio-ini uyu moko matheri amune maiguithaniirie kwambiriria gukinyanirio kwa ikereka ria keri ria ngirimiti yao ya uruti wa wira. TSC ikiranira gukinyaniria nyongerera ya mishara ya arutani ta uria yaiguithaniirie na ciama ici.
The Commission is pleased to announce that the government has provided funds for the implementation of the second phase of the CBA with effect from 1st July 2024.
We are getting back to our offices first to check if teachers shall have received what was promised here on item number 1.
Ciama ici ciugite giki tigitumi kiiganu gutiriria mugomo uria uraririirio kiumia giukite o kiama gikiranira gutabania mucamanio na kanju ya kibururi iria rugamagirira arutani kuiguithaniria ikinya riria rigutacukio no kwa ihinda riri mugomo ndutiriirio.
Officially, we don't have the powers and the mandate to call off the strike. That is the official position. So even as things are, the strike is still on.
Makioneka kwiyamura na itua ria NUT na KUPPET kiama kia arutani a thukuru cia arutwo aria mari mawathe KNUT maugite no makahingura thukuru thengia ya mamwe ma mateta mao kwaga gukinyanirio.
Sisi hatukuwa na mambo mengi, yetu ni hayo na tumemaliza. Walimu wetu Jumatatu waelekee mashuleni.
Thiini wa kiria kionekire ta murugamo ngurani wa kiria kiiguithaniirio kana kwaga kuiguithanirio thiini wa mucamanio uyu, TSC yugite maundu mothe maria ciama ici ikurehete metha-ini ni makinyaniirio ari hamwe na kwambatirio ngathi kwa arutani 51,000 na gucokereria gwa thikimu ya motungata ma urigitani kuri arutani thibitari-ini ciothe bururi-ini.
Those are the issues that the unions had also raised, which the TSC has already worked on. Effectively, the unions have noted the TSC position and agreed to consult their internal organs with a view to withdrawing the strike notice.
Solidarity!
Hadwini Hakameme TV, Jitagugena, Wawaduro.